Hello and welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 15.4 right now, free and easy, before it goes on general release by Apple to the public. Right, so first thing you need to do, open Safari, then you need to go to beta.apple.com. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can get straight to the beta software. Once you're on the Beta Apple website, you need to select iOS and scroll down to where it says Get Started, Enroll your iOS device. Now you need to scroll down again to number 2 where it says Download Profile. On the pop-up, just push Allow, close it, then return to Settings. In Profile Downloads, you'll find the iOS that you've just downloaded. Click on it, enter your password if required, hit install, and then restart. Once you've restarted your device, you're done. I do hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.